Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Muhammad Tausif Amin and today I will deliver a lecture of Mathematics class 9 of 5th week. In this week we will do exercise 5.1 which is factorization. In this exercise we have to factorize algebraic expression. Okay, first of all I am going to explain you what is factorization. Okay, in factorization we make factors of given algebraic expression. Factors are also algebraic expression, and when we multiply the coming factors of any expression we will obtain the same expression again. For example, there is an expression 2x square plus 10x. This is an algebraic expression. Okay, in the process of factorization, what will we do? So first of all, check the coefficients 2 and 10. Here 2 is common because 2 5s are 10. Okay, x square and x. In the variable x is common. Now what are the remainings? X plus 5. Okay, now these two values 2x and x plus 5 are the factors of given algebraic expression, and we will when we will multiply these two factors we will obtain the given expression again. For example, when we will multiply 2x with x and 5 like this, so we will obtain this given expression again, 2x square plus 10x. So this process of making factor is called factorization. Okay, now come to the exercise. Question number 1. Exercise question number 1. Okay, in whole exercise we have to factorize the given expression, algebraic expression. Okay, question number 1. First part. In question number 1 we will solve first part, third part and fifth part in classwork, and the remaining part like 2, 4 and 6 will be your homework. Okay, in first part it is given that 2abc minus 4abx plus 2abd. Okay, so what is common between numbers and variable among all these three terms? Okay, 2, 4, 2. Here 2 is common. A is common. B is also common. Okay, C, X, D. There is nothing common in C, X and B. So remaining values will be C minus 2 2's are 4 X plus D. So this is the answer. Okay, come to the third part, which is minus 3x square y minus 3x plus 9xy square. Okay, so in factorization we have to check the coefficient first. 339, here 3 is common. X is also common. Oh no, 3x is common. Okay, so remaining values will be minus xy minus 1 plus 3y square. Answer. Okay, now fifth part, which is 3x cube y x minus 3y minus 7x square y x minus 3y. Okay, there are two terms having brackets with them. So first of all, we will take common from the brackets and also from the multiples. Okay, x minus 3y is common among the brackets because both brackets are same. Okay, 3 and 7, there is nothing common between 3 and 7. X cube and x square is common. Y and y square, y is common. Okay, this is our multiple. Now the remaining values are 3, x, y is common. Okay, minus 7, x square common, y, only y will be remainder. So this is the answer. Okay, this was question number 1, exercise 5.1. Now question number 2. Question number 2, again factorize. The first part is 5ax minus 3ay minus 5bx plus 3by. This is the second part. Okay, in this part, again we have to factorize the given four terms. Now, first of all, we have to make the pairs among these four terms. Okay, I am making 5x with 5bx and minus 3ay with 3by. Okay, मैंने इसको इसके साथ पेयर बना दिया है और इसको इसके साथ पेयर बना दिया है. So, taking common among two terms, 5ax minus 5bx, what is common? 5x is common and the remaining values are a minus b. Okay, here minus 3 is common. Now look at this sign minus. जब minus common ले लेते हैं तो definitely bracket के अंदर भी sign change होगा. Okay, among ay and by, y is common like this. Y is common and the remaining values are a minus b. जी देखें बेटा, जब दोनों ब्रैकेट सेम आ रही हों तो इट मीन्स हमारी फैक्टराइजेशन ठीक हो रही है. ओके, नाउ अगेन 5x इंटू ए माइनस बी माइनस 3y इंटू ए माइनस बी इज कॉमन. बोथ ब्रैकेट्स आर कॉमन and the remaining values will be 5x minus 3y. This is the answer. Now, in this question number 2, we will solve first part, third part and fourth part in classwork. Remaining parts will be your homework. Okay, now third part. Third part is x cube plus 3xy square minus 2x square y minus 6y cube. This is the third part. Okay, now I am going to take common among the two terms, among these two terms and from these two terms. Okay, here x is common. X is common and the remaining values are x square plus 3y square. Okay, here minus 2 is common with y because y is also common and the remaining values will be x square minus common आ चुका था, so it will positive. Here 3y square. Again two brackets are same, it means our factorization process is right. So x square plus 3y square is again common, x minus 2y remainder. So this is the answer. Now come to the fourth part of question number 2, and the fourth part is x square minus y square into z plus y square minus z square into x. Okay, look at this question beta. There is nothing common among the two given values, two given expressions, so we have to multiply these outer values with the given brackets. So first is zx square minus zy square plus xy square minus z square x. हमने इन बाहर वाली वैल्यूज़ को मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया है. Now making the pairs, zx square will be paired by xy square and minus zy square will be paired by minus z square x. So rewrite the pairs plus xy square minus zy square minus z square x. Now taking common between two terms, here x is common, remaining values is zx plus y square, and here minus z is common and remaining values will be y square plus zx. Now again two brackets are same, y square plus zx, y square plus zx, and this is also common in next step. Y square plus zx is common and the remainders are x minus z. So this is the answer. Okay, this was question number 2. Now come to the question number 3.